I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create public server in Minecraft. Start by choosing your server type and edition, pick hosting method like local or VPS, and select server software such as Paper. Next, plan port forwarding or firewall rules, set player limits, and outline community rules. Prepare backups and automation for restarts. This foundation keeps your public server reliable and ready for players to join quickly. Install your chosen server by downloading the server jar and placing it in a dedicated folder, then run it once to generate configuration files and EULA. TXT. Edit EULA. TXT to accept the license and adjust server. Properties for MOTD, port, max players, and game mode. Set up a run script or service to launch the server automatically and create scheduled backups. Test startup logs and resolve any missing dependencies or Java version mismatches. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping, making it hilariously easy to keep rooms tidy while you manage servers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if you want to save time. Now let's get back to the video. Open the server port on your router or provision a public IP for your host, then secure connections with a firewall and limited admin access. Use a whitelist and install anti-grief and moderation plugins to protect your world from bad actors. Regular automated backups and plugin updates minimize downtime and data loss. Monitor logs and player activity for suspicious behavior and adjust rate limits or ban policies accordingly to maintain a healthy public community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.